Are you still using your car's cigarette lighter to power your dash cam? Welcome to Flicky Facts. Ever thought about how much safer your car could be if your dash cam kept working all the time, even when the engine's off? Imagine a simple device that powers your dash cam 24/7 and also makes sure your car battery doesn't run out. That's exactly what the 70My4G Hardwire Kit UP04 does. It's a smart way to keep an eye on your car around the clock. Curious if it's the right upgrade for you? Let's find out. What is a Hardwire Kit? A Hardwire Kit is a small device that connects your dash cam directly to your car's fuse box, instead of using the cigarette lighter port. It supplies continuous power to the dash cam, even when the car is turned off. Product description: reset button, indicator, SIM card slot, Type-C port, adhesive sticker, power wire, red, ground wire, black, ACC signal wire, yellow, Type-C connecting cable. If you want to buy a Hardwire kit and accessories from Amazon, just tap the link in the description below. Basic parameters. Features. With the UP04 4G Hardwire Kit, your 70My dash cam can automatically switch to parking surveillance mode when you turn off the car engine, thanks to its ACC detection feature. When the car is turned on, the dash cam switches back to normal recording mode. The UP04 kit is connected to your car battery and can continuously supply power to your dash cam for 24 hours, even when the car is turned off. The overall length of the kit is 3.3 meters, which is long enough to be installed in most vehicles without any cable shortage concerns. With the help of the 4G Hardwire Kit, Omni's parking surveillance system will be able to alert you via the app at the first signal of a suspicious event or collision. When paired with the 4G Hardwire Kit, the built-in GPS can notify where the car is parked and provide walking navigation through the app. With 4G connectivity, you can also monitor your driving routes in real time remotely. Installation. First, turn your ignition off. Then find the cabin compartment fuse box in your vehicle. You can look for the exact location of your fuse box from the vehicle's user manual. Once you've found the cabin fuse box, proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Connect the Hardwire Kit to the device, then neatly tuck the cable along the edge of the headliner for a clean and secure installation. Step 2. Use a multimeter to test the fuses in your vehicle. Identify one that supplies constant power even when the engine is off, and another accessory fuse that only provides power when the engine is running. The VCC fuse should provide 12 volts even when the vehicle is off, while the ACC fuse should supply 12 volts only when the vehicle is running and no voltage when the car is turned off. Avoid using specific fuses like SRS, airbag, ABS, anti-lock braking system, or ECU, engine control unit, to prevent potential damage to your vehicle. Instead, use spare or unused fuse slots in the fuse box whenever possible. You can safely use non-critical fuses like the cigarette lighter, radio, or interior lights for accessory power connections. Step 3. Route the red VCC plus wire to the identified constant power fuse and secure the connection using an add a fuse tap or appropriate terminal method. Fuse taps are directional. The outer metal prong of the fuse tap is where power comes in. This prong must connect to the powered terminal in the fuse box, meaning the outer prong of the fuse tap should align with the metal contact in the fuse slot that supplies power. Step 4. Route the yellow ACC plus wire to a switched power fuse, ACC, using a fuse tap, ensuring the circuit is energized only when the ignition is in the ACC or run position. Step 5. Route the ground wire to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on the vehicle's chassis and securely fasten it to ensure a solid ground connection. Step 6. Insert a compatible SIM card into the Hardwire module, then connect the dashcam's Type-C cable to it. Start the engine and check that the module's LED turns green, indicating a proper connection and SIM card detection. App connection. Scan the QR code to download and install the app, or search for 70 MAI in the App Store or Google Play to download and install it. Open the app and tap the plus sign on the home page. In the Bluetooth scanning result list, tap the dashcam's name, same as the dashcam Wi-Fi name, and then confirm the authorization on the dashcam. Once connected to the dashcam, go to Settings, then tap 4G Network in the 70 MAI app. Follow the prompt to bind the 4G Hardwire Kit to your account and complete activation. Once done, the dashcam will show 4G connected, enabling remote video, live tracking, and parking alerts via the app. Safety precautions. Disconnect the car battery. Check the fuse ratings. Avoid pinching wires. Verify ground connection. Don't install in wet areas. Compatibility. The 70 MAI Hardwire Kit UP04 is only compatible with 70 MAI dashcams, such as A510, Omni, and A810. Troubleshooting. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more exciting tech videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description. Thanks for watching.